we are pleased to have with us today Laksh Bambani's parents, past President Rotarian Kamal Bambani and Rotarian Archana Bambani. I'd like to request them to please introduce the club's incoming president here.
Hello friends, we stand before you not in the capacity of a Rotarian, but as the parents of a Rotarian, Rotarian Laksh Bambani, President of the Rotary Club of Delhi Central Next. All these years I have imagined that if somebody wanted to know me and my personality, he might as well go and meet Laksh. But here I am, imagining that he was my introduction. Here I am introducing Laksh to you. Laksh got his schooling at the Delhi Public School, Vasant Kunj. He took up graduation in 3 different disciplines. He took up the Bachelor's in Business Studies degree at the Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. He also did his graduation in Indian classical music at Allahabad, and he has a keen sense of music. Those who have heard him sing and play the guitar would know that he just mesmerizes when he does that. He also took up graduation in professional photography from the New York Institute of Photography and is a keen photographer as well. While he was in college, he did several projects of photography with the college, and he was given the title of student with a keen eye. Laksh took up the post-graduation in management studies at Boston. He went as a regular student of management, and while he was doing his management in Boston, he also took up archery as a sport. And while he completed his MBA, he also earned the title of a bowman. Laksh loves to skate. He is a good swimmer. He is a good table tennis player. And he is very fond of traveling. He has traveled to almost all the parts. He has visited almost 30 countries all over the globe. Laksh's Rotary journey started very early. Our family decided at a very early age that on my birthday, we will organize a blood donation camp and a health checkup camp every year. So while we started doing these blood donation camps and health checkup camps, love from a very early age started to support me and be part of that camp. Year after year, we would do this camp, and his grooming and his nurturing imbibed all the ideals of Rotary, all the ideals of awareness about the community and about the lovely things and the care that we can give to our community. The camps continued every year, and last year, our camp, which was a Rotary Day celebration of service, was held at Connaught Place at Hotel Hans. Almost 800 people visited this health checkup camp and blood donation camp. And those of you who have visited that camp would have seen Laksh in full action with full energy and full control of the situation. This was our 25th consecutive year of doing that camp. And for 25 years, Laksh has been involved in it. In 2007, when I became president of the Rotary Club of New Delhi, our pets took place at Agra. As a young man of 17, Laksh accompanied me and Archana to the pets and got a good grooming and learning about Rotary. After coming back from the pets, Laksh became a Paul Harris Fellow. Soon thereafter, he joined his college, and the Rotary learning came to the fore when he decided that on his birthday, he will be organizing a camp at the college. All the years that he was at the college, he continued doing the blood donation camp on his birthday. And all these camps were very successful with his friends and the entire college participating in it. At the age of 19, his leadership skills came handy when he, with the help of few of his youthful friends, he formed the Rotaract Club of New Delhi. The Rotaract Club of New Delhi was chartered in 2008, and he became the charter president of the Rotaract Club of New Delhi. That club functioned very well in his year and in every year thereafter, and is still a thriving community-based Rotaract club. Laksh has been groomed, has been brought up in the atmosphere where he can see what is happening around him in his environment and in the community. He is committed at all times to take up issues that impact the community and always forthcoming to make a positive contribution. Laksh is married to Ayushi, happily married to Ayushi. And Ayushi is also a Paul Harris Fellow. Our blessings, our love, and our good wishes remain with Laksh.
Now that we know a little about Laksh, may I please invite our club president, Mr. Laksh Bambani, for his address.
Welcome to the second installation ceremony, Pratisthapan, of Rotary Club of Delhi Central Next. Delhi Central Next is the scion to Rotary Club of Delhi Central. There aren't enough words to begin saying our gratitude to our parents for bringing us together, making us Rotarians. Journey to be a Rotarian does not start with getting pinned. For many of us, we have been Rotarians through our actions. Today we are Rotarians in name. And while our young club seeks blessings and guidance from all of you present here, we also assure that we have deserved the pins before we wore them, because our parents made us Rotarians. We are a brilliant mix of members, from professionals, doctors, businessmen to corporate leaders, focused on building a community of active youth to take the baton for the future of Rotary. Our vision for the club stands in step with the larger goals set forth by Rotary. The most pressing issues of our communities: clean water, supporting education, and fighting disease. Being a new club, we are always careful about continuity. Our flagship project, House of Help, will be replicated in more locations, and sustainability of the same will be monitored. Now, Rotary is a great platform for service. It teaches us to take tiny, seemingly insufficient steps. It asks us to plant a tree. That's it. A tree for every Rotarian. Now multiply that by 1.2 million Rotarians across the globe. It's not so insignificant. By harnessing the collective goodness in individuals, Rotary opens the opportunity for us to be part of something truly worthwhile, despite our own individual limitations. Rotary opens opportunities to be limitless. On the question of community service, and as a responsible and committed Rotarian, I often wonder, why should the youth join Rotary? Why is it relevant to us? To begin with, people our age hardly even seem to be interested. Where are we going with Rotary? What strikes you in a quiet moment of ripening is the importance of fellowship. Each of us are quickly being dragged into four walls that we ourselves did not create. This new paradigm is too advanced a software for this old monkey brain hardware that we have. Growing up on over-information and never before seen digital outreach is like growing up on steroids, leaving us hollow and joyless once we are forced to face the realities and insecurities of life. Rotary is the opposite. It is fulfilling. It is enriching and abundant with the joy of service. It is real, it is human, grounded, involved. We are so enamored by the possibilities of hacking our way to glory that we forget that the gargantuan pyramids are built one brick at a time. The most important of all the great things we will ever build, our relationships, be it work or a personal confidant, the relationships that make life worth living are here in Rotary. Promoting fellowship, intimacy, bonding, making the world a place we want to enjoy living in, and doing it through Rotary is my personal goal as a president. Thank you.
Thank you, Laksh, for your inspiring address.